Okay, Assalamualaikum students. Welcome back to the Numberland. Today's topic is mensuration in simple words. Mensuration is the branch of mathematics that deals with measuring lengths, areas and volume of 2D and 3D shapes. We will discuss perimeter, area, surface area and volume step by step with examples. So, stay with us. Okay, now number 1 is the perimeter. Definition: perimeter is the total length around a 2D shape. For example, I am solving for different shape. The formula is for the square it is 4a, for the rectangle it's 2 small bracket L plus W. L is the length and W is the width, and for the circle it's 2 pi r. Now find the perimeter of a rectangle. With length it's equal to 12 cm and width it's equal to 8 cm. Look at the screen. I am solving here. Okay, got it. And now number 2 is area. And the definition of the area is the space inside a 2D shape. Formula for different shape is: for the square it is a square, for rectangle it is LW, for the triangle it's half BH. B is the base and H is the height, and for the circle it's pi r square. Now example is: find the area of a triangle with a base it's equal to 10 cm and height it's equal to 6 cm. Now for the triangle we have formula: A is equal to half BH. Base is available, height is given, so we can easily find area. Now surface area. Definition is the total area covering the outside of a 3D shape. Formula is: for the cube it's equal to 6a square, for cuboid it's equal to 2lb plus bh plus hl, and for the cylinder it's 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r. Okay, now number 3 is the surface area. I am solving here. Definition is the total area covering the outside of a 3D object. The formula for different shapes is: cube 6a square, cuboid 2lb plus bh plus hl, cylinder 2 pi r square plus 2 pi rh, and for the sphere it's 4 pi r square. Now example, look at the screen. Find the surface area of a cube with side of 5 cm. ऐसे surface area में cube का मालूम करना है with side 5 cm. So formula is 6a square, that is 6 5 square, it's equal to 150 centimeter square. Now for the volume, the space inside a 3D object. For the cube we have a cube, for cuboid we have dwh, for the cylinder we have pi r square h, for the sphere we have 4 over 3 pi r cube, for cone we have 1 over 3 pi r square. Look at the example on the screen. Find the volume of a cylinder with radius 7 cm and height